Hi guys and girls, this time I'm going to show you how to write a better WordPress post or every post you like in this way. So if you are writing in your language, for example, if you have a special characters or for example if you don't know how to write in that language, you can use Google Translate. For example, here I live in Greece and I want to write a blog post in Greek, but I can write so well in Greek because there is some special characters and some special letters. All you have to do is to go at your Google Translate tab and just select your Greek language. And now you can start typing in Greeklish, for example. Let's say gymnastic in Greek is gymnastiki. Well, when you hit the enter tab, that automatically will be English language. Well, you can write all your story in this way. This is the first tip. The second tip is use any software as, for example, I use Microsoft Word. That's the best of. And here you have a feature that you can create even a blog post and go to create, and you can connect your WordPress account with it. Well, this definitely doesn't work in Blogger accounts, but in WordPress accounts it works very fine. And WordPress, it's the best platform in the world. Well, I don't see any reason to use any other platform because there you have many plugins, you have many useful stuff that you can do. After this, when you have inserted your blog in your Microsoft Word, you have synchronized it, and you can do it by this way, by going here where it says manage accounts, click on it and say new, select your blog provider, click WordPress, next, and here in this point you gotta just put your URL of your blog, your username and your password. Well, I will give you an example just for this to make it for you more clear. Well, for me it takes some seconds to load, but it loads definitely. And here you can put only this section. Copy, go at Microsoft Word, you can go here and put your HTTP. Just select paste, copy your username and put your password and say remember this password. Just click OK. Why not? Yes. Let's see, I'm writing in what language? In Greek. No, I need to write in English to make it happen. Let's try another one time. Yes. Account register as successful to chat setting for this account, add another account, click manage post per tab. That says that you can change your settings, you can change your password if you change your admin password. You can even remove it or set this out default. All you gotta do here inside is to write your title, for example. Let's see, test WordPress. And the amazing feature I love in Microsoft Word that corrects all of your errors and your misspelling errors, and it makes you more professional and write more quality content. Here you can choose, after you write your blog post, for example, all your blog post, let's say everything, your content, okay, So you gotta have the concept of search engine optimization. So you gotta have here one h1 tag, for example. Okay, let's see here h1 tag. In the first sentence, gotta be a keyword, your keyword inside. Okay, that should be here, test post. And you gotta have your keyword in bold, italic, and underlined. Or you can do this by inserting three keywords, one in bold, one in italic, and one underlined. So you will have your SEO, search engine optimization. After this, all you got to do is to uh, go at your publish section and publish as draft, and this will be published as draft. But all you can do here is, because in Microsoft Word, especially when a post is a big post and you will take some time to, to, to write it, you can stop anytime you like just by clicking this button here, and it says, want you to save the document. If you click don't save, and rest of the code is temporarily available. So when I say save, this automatically will be saved in my desktop. Okay. No, I will save it in open document. You can add tags, you can add everything, you can add titles, you can add manager, you can add subject, your description, I mean, and you can add everything. Well, you have here many things that you can do with Microsoft Word. All you gotta do is to save it in desktop, and so you can start from the point you have left. When you click this icon, you can start reading your post again from that point you have stopped before. And this is amazing from this. After this, after you have posted your post, you can go at your WordPress, at your WordPress dashboard. You can navigate and go inside in your blog. Okay. Well, this is different language. Let's see. I gotta go here. I have some blogs with free domains just to train myself for this, to make me better publisher. All you gotta do is to go at your account, for example, and go at your dashboard. Well, it's a pretty slow. Let's close some of our. Here you can go at your posts, all posts, and somewhere here it should appear your draft post. All you gotta do after you have seen this post and you have published it from Microsoft Word to your current account, if you have many of them, all you gotta do is to use a plugin SEO by Yoast. Well, this is the best one. I think this is very great for this. And you can make your search engine optimization. You can put your title, you can put your description, some of keywords. Okay, here you have your page analysis. Well, everything is okay in mine. All of this was green, but after the Yoast update, so by Yoast update, I don't know, something is going wrong, really wrong. I don't know, WordPress doesn't work properly. Here you have all your choices, your basics one, your most important ones. You gotta put your title, your description, here your description, your title, and your keywords. After this, go at your page analysis and see how good are you going with this. You have your advanced options for your sitemap, for your meta tags to an index or not. Well, leave it as they are. Don't touch them. And the last thing you can do here is to put a description separately for your Facebook and separately for Twitter if you want a separate description to appear when somebody publishes your post in his wall or in his Twitter account. You can upload an image just to make your WordPress post better. Let's take a look at this and how it works. Well, WordPress website. We have a website. Let's go to let's go to our post. If we pick our uh, if we pick our link, and for example we go to our Facebook page, let's see, here it is, one page, and well, I wanna publish this article in my page, and let's see what this. Here, as you see, here we have a description. That this description here, my Facebook description. Okay, if I post in Twitter, my post will be posted with this description. And our image. Our image is very correct here, is this image here. If we click paste and go in Google Chrome, let's see. Yeah, it's my picture. Well, I think it's a very small picture. I gotta change my picture and put a bigger one just to make it work, because it should have some dimensions. And after this, all you gotta do after you have optimized your WordPress post for publishing, after you think that you are ready to go, all you gotta do is to click in publish. That should appear right here, but because this is published, for me it doesn't work in this way. So all here are all very easy tips. While your post should be at least 300 words, well, my post is big because I am writing it with Microsoft Word. Well, it talks to me 2 days to write it. But I think this is very helpful for people, especially for people that wanna rank for their posts and wanna make something really good for their public or audience. So thank you very much and goodbye. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll be back with more. If you have any questions, please leave it as a comment below this video, and I will make a video for you just to explain. This will help me too to give me ideas to tell me what tutorials you need and what you want to learn as from me that I know and you don't know. So thank you very much and goodbye.